Welcome to Knowledge Bites. Today, we're diving into Budgeting 101, sharing simple steps to help you achieve financial freedom, a big win for your personal development journey. If you're ready to master life skills like money management and financial planning, hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized lessons on personal finance and financial literacy. What is budgeting and why does it matter? Let's start with the basics. Budgeting is all about planning how to spend and save your money. It's a super powerful life skill that puts you in control of your finances, cuts down on stress, and helps you reach your financial goals, like saving for a dream purchase or clearing debt. By budgeting, you're not just managing numbers, you're building financial literacy and growing in your personal development journey. Simple steps to start budgeting. Track your income and expenses. First up, let's see where your money's going. List all your income, like your salary or side hustle earnings, and track every expense for a month. Yes, even that morning coffee or late night online shopping spree. This budgeting tip helps you spot where you can start saving money and take control. Follow the 50/30/20 rule. Next, try this beginner-friendly method, the 50/30/20 rule. Put 50% of your income toward needs like rent, groceries, or gas, 30% toward wants like a fun night out or streaming subscriptions, and 20% toward savings or debt management, like paying off that credit card. It's a simple financial planning trick that works for anyone starting out. Set clear financial goals. Now, let's dream a bit. Set clear financial goals, like saving $1,000 for an emergency fund, planning a weekend getaway, or paying off a loan. Having goals keeps you motivated and moves you closer to financial freedom. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your spending. Do you really need that daily takeout or those unused gym memberships? Cutting back on these frees up cash for what truly matters. This money management habit is a game changer for saving more. Review and adjust regularly. Life isn't static, and your budget shouldn't be either. Check your budget every month to see what's working and what's not. Maybe you've got a new bill or a raise. Adjust your plan to keep supporting your financial goals and debt management. A real-life story and fun fact to inspire you. Let's meet Asha, someone just like you. She started budgeting by tracking her expenses and using the 50/30/20 rule. By cutting back on impulse buys like those sneaky online deals, she saved enough in just 1 year for her dream vacation to Thailand. Budgeting turned her dream into reality. And here's a fun fact. Did you know 60% of people who budget regularly feel more confident about their finances? That's the power of financial literacy at work. Your first steps to financial freedom. That's Budgeting 101, your roadmap to financial freedom. If these budgeting tips inspired you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more lessons on life skills and personal development. Now, tell us in the comments, what's one financial goal you'll set after watching this? Let's grow together.